So yeah, I say big man.
I don't say nothing yet. But you are say.
Yeah, I'm come for link you about what me and you did the reason about the other day.
Yeah, I chat to them.
So what them a say?
Them not take no talk.
Channel? So you not convince them?
So,
But it is. But don't show your levels, say yo, it a benefit both you and the community. Plus, I know say you have some dog hell where you have to take care.
I want to tell you from them project thing they are going over here. It not benefit nobody. Just people me see are dead.
Yo, bad man. At the same thing that me I try to alleviate. Seeing because you see when people have work, them same too they now have no time for go rob and kill and them thing there because them just focus on one thing which is money. You see me? This project it gonna last about 2-3 years.
Well, here was my problem. See the people them who are dead are from the community. See the people them who are do the killing, me no know them.
See where I say you know it man. But that's why me and you have to form alliance. Get the link tighter so we can weed out all of them bad apple there.
Farm, alliance. Yeah, what? See if you want farm, you've got link a one name Butcher. And if you want alliance, you've got talk to Bunty. Cause me I hear something what me no like.
What kind of things?
You know a brother named Carlton Wallace?
No, I don't understand that. No, but nobody is supposed to come and talk to you. I don't give no instructions. So my partner sent somebody to you? Somebody from the community? What the person look like? Give me a description. Okay, yeah, I think I know Izu. But look, I am very sorry about that, but nobody, and absolutely nobody, is given any authority to come and speak on behalf of me. And I made that clear to you already. Alright. Yeah, yes, I'll sort it out. Alright. Oh.
Carlton Wallace. Yeah man, we did know him. As a matter of fact, me and him did supposed to partnership on this project, yeah. But you see, them man they pass, him have a dirty lifestyle. You see me? And personally, I don't want to associate myself with that. Me all hear say him go on with some things over here too. Him and him brethren named Sullivan. You see it, and it cause a big uproar in the whole system over here. 13 and fight against 14.
But here what? Me know him. Me no know you. And see from to come up with this project thing, a few people are dead over here. Me no know if me want to get involved with that.
Alright, gunman. Me hear you. Me have to go find somebody else to partner with. You see it, because I want the upliftment of this community. You feel me?
Come like you nah hear what me I say. Me, I want no project over here, so.